Hey guys, this is the date palm. I'm showing you what the view looks like out here. Very pretty view. You have a nice view of the lake also. That fountain will be lit up at night. Plenty of room for a pool. We got a lot of workers here, so guys kind of stay out of their way. There the guy is right now. That's going to be a half bath. Beside that's going to be laundry. Then we have kitchen, and I'm standing in the great room. There's the front entrance. It's kind of hard to video them sometimes when people are in here working, so got to stay out of their way. Nice size study. Grand entrance to your bedroom, master bedroom. Big, huge shower. We try to put these windows everywhere. Just let natural light in. You'd have a double vanity there. Water closet. Walk-in closet here. Big back window so you can see out onto the lake. Really pretty house. One of my favorite floor plans. Just a reminder, it has 12-foot ceilings out here. In the bedrooms, it goes down to like 9-8 or something like that. Little bedroom there. Full-size bath. It does get a double vanity, which is pretty surprising. Then you got another bedroom here. We'll spin around here and go back out. I like this window here because it gives a lot of light and ventilation for this hallway area. And you do have a coat closet, and that's the garage door and the front door. That's about it, guys. Check it out. Let us know what you think. And come enjoy this beautiful view that we have.